Good material is going in the back of the truck. Done and plated, and it looks like this. Good morning, peace and blessings to you wherever you are in the world. Welcome to Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and welcome to a very special place. Welcome to the city of NOWSHERA. Unlike most of the cities here in Pakistan, it's a bustling, busy place with lots of motorbikes, lots of people walking around, lots of rickshaws. There's always rickshaw walks. There's rickshaws everywhere. So just being in the moment, let's see where the day will take us. So just come and follow me. Assalamu alaikum, brother. How are you? Good, mashallah. So let's go and have a look at this, brother. So one of the nice things in Pakistan is people are always shouting and waving their arms and saying salam. So look, I've just come to see someone totally at random. And here we go. Assalamu alaikum. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good, mashallah. And your good name?
My name is Zahid Palawan.
Zahid Palawan. That's like a big guy, right? Oh, mashallah. So I've ended up coming and saying salam, okay, here at Bakhtiyar Kumbal House. And these guys don't appear to have many kumbles, but they have lots of, looks like material. Lots of material. So it's viscose. Lots of it as well. Look, all over the shop here, yeah? Mashallah. So brother, how long?
Your blanket.
So the brothers are here. So by Khudadad, how long have you been in this shop?
1 sal.
1 sal, which in Pashto means like one year. And mashallah, where do all your materials, where do they come from?
China.
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 Which city? Which city in China?
China. And come.
So they come from
Turkey wala design, China wala design, Turkey wala design.
Okay, so the stuff comes from like Turkey.
China, Turkey wala.
Oh, mashallah. So the guys have materials. What they're telling me is from like China, Turkey, Hong Kong, etc. Mashallah, right? Go right. So this is my $1 million question. I ask it all over Pakistan, right? And these guys play cricket. Take the way, you play cricket?
Yes.
Okay, here's my $1 million question. Okay, who are the world champions in cricket?
World champion team England.
Oh, we have agreement at last, right? Okay, great, right?
Good leg.
It's a
good leg.
Oh, mashallah.
Who
Who is the best team in the world?
Afghanistan.
All right, okay. And who is the best player in the world?
They're the Rahmanullah Gurbaz.
All right, okay. And what about Rashid Khan?
Rashid Khan, one like a batsman Gurbaz.
Oh, brilliant. Okay. So these guys also have a message for everybody out in England as well. And your message is? Message this today?
Message Mohin Ali England ta Sahi Musulman nar sadega.
Oh, fabulous, right? Okay, the wonderful Mohin Ali. So one of the things you've got to be very, very, very sensitive about walking in these areas is holding your camera, particularly when there's women folk around as well. These guys are like proud, very honorable and dignified. They have a lot of honor when it comes to protection of women, which is absolutely 100% understandable. So I've had the camera fairly low and I've stopped recording for a little while, because obviously I respect those values and I respect those beliefs, and the last thing I want to do is cause any offence of any kind to anyone. And this part of the bazaar is where there's lots and lots and lots of colourful ladies' clothes. An area in which there's lots and lots and lots and lots of clothes, and the women folk are absolutely bombarding these shops. There's some bargaining going on over some blankets.
यार उस जगह खुली तरह क्यों
मतलब खबर आता है ना पक्की होगा हाँ वो खबर है ना खबर होता है
Some proper bargaining going on here. The inside streets of NOWSHERA is packed. There we go. turn into the main road of NOWSHERA, the outside. Look at that for a building. There we go. Stop. Controlling all of that. Nope, he's actually run away. It's the rickshaw wars. Do not mess with the rickshaws or the motorbikes for that matter. There we go. Vroom, straight in front. Plenty of activity. So NOWSHERA was okay. However, we've changed our mind, decided to jump in the vehicle. So we're going to head off to MARDAN instead. Glad you're still here. And now we are hitting the borders of Risalpur on the way to MARDAN. You should see what I should see. Love a colourful truck. And here's another one. Green and some hearts and yellow from the side. And here's another colourful truck. Looks like it's loaded with limestone. Look at this. How lovely is that? The Pakistan Locomotive Factory. That looks dodgy. So all trucks turn right. And more rickshaw wars. Rickshaw wars is rickshaws and rickshaws. It hits a roundabout coming into MARDAN and it says welcome to MARDAN with World Heritage Sites by and the MARDAN Museum. Oh, loads of colour at the sides of the road. Isn't that pretty? And the M1 towards Lahore is the connecting road here on the right hand side. Look at that, MARDAN and Malakand. Oh, and an overloaded truck again. What's that? Oh my god, it's a mobile shop selling attar on the back of a rickshaw as a car pulls out. Fresh alongside a mini flood. Oh, more rickshaw wars on the left hand side. There you go, pulling straight out. Look at the lovely colours on that, amazing. So as you're joining me on my journey, we're on the outskirts and now officially welcome to the city of MARDAN as we go through the gate to the city. This is running different ways and I was just having some thoughts. So these guys here, they come in the morning, they open the offices, they switch the electricity on, switch the heating on and turn the computers on, make sure they're all fully booted and they switch them on, phones that they're ready, expecting calls to come in, and then they open their shop, which looks like this on the side of a rail track and railroad. And here we go, let's go inside the office. So to get into the office you have to cross the bog, across the bridge. Here we go, we're crossing the bog and it looks like this and it's properly shaking. To the shop, look, you have to cross the bridge. In order to get to the shop you have to cross the bridge. And look, the supermarket is across the road. So here we go, and it's definitely safe. And once you get into the shop, as you can see, the computers are ready, the invoicing system's ready, calls about to come into the office, staff's ready, and the lights are on. And the lights will automatically stay on for a long time. You can see the shop is built with drainage pipes, I think. There you go. And if the weather changes, I think all you do is run. And they run as a group, they all run together. And then in the blanket shop, they also sell all of this. Colours that are absolutely beautiful. Back over the bridge again. One of the guys has decided to buy a blanket. Oh well, let's help him across. It's been rolled up. There you go. That's how you pack it. This is how you finish packing it. Oh, there you go. So this is how you professionally pack it. Up, down, left, right, squeeze, squeeze, pull, pull, squeeze, squeeze, pull, pull. So that cost about 15 quid. So I would imagine if they pack it and they whack and it reaches us in the United Kingdom, I imagine it probably costs 50 quid. But there you go, happy customer, 4,000 Pakistani rupees. Sure, but there's got to be trains going past here at some stage, and it must be absolutely chaotic. Wow. So this is Muhammad Sudais, and he's also working here. So this is a young man, he's not quite hit his teens yet. और दिल तो समर घंटे कार के रज़ी
7 बजे रात जी
7 बजे अबे
8 बजे जी
So that's 7 till 8, so that's 13 hours a day. और दिल तो कंबली खर्चा भाई.
हाँ जी कंबली बिस्तरे वाली.
So they sell blankets, single ones, double ones, and a whole range of things as well, right? Who is your favourite cricket player? Favourite player this week?
ये बाबर आज़म.
बाबर आजम. और क्रिकेट के वर्ल्ड चैंपियन सूखी, दुनिया चैंपियन सूखी.
डरन समी और क्रिस.
ओके, अरुण सामी और क्रिस गेल. लेकिन दुनिया चैंपियन सूखी, वर्ल्ड चैंपियंस कौन की?
जल्दी. पेशावर जल्दी.
और इंग्लैंड वर्ल्ड चैंपियंस नहीं थी, दुनिया चैंपियंस इंग्लैंड नहीं थी. Yeah, see. Oh, mashallah, right. So there we go. There we go. Zatul to salam hoya. Salam. Rickshaw wars, and at the side we have jaggery. There's some serious jaggery going on here. Oh, look at that. Mashallah. Oh, what are you doing? In between the rickshaw wars. Street food, and look what I found. Kulcha. That's absolutely, alhamdulillah, absolutely gorgeous. Cost about 8 pence. Call it kulcha, like a fried donut.